In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the email SMTP settings. By default, ReviewTrust does not allow you to use its own SMTP settings, and you will need to upgrade your account. But for basic accounts, this means you will need to connect and use your own SMTP provider. Let's try adding a new SMTP connection. You can see in this page all the needed information to connect to an SMTP server like host, port, encryption, username, and password. You can use any SMTP server, but in this video, we are going to use SMTP to-go service. I have signed up a free account to show you how to get the information needed for the connection. In SMTP to-go, in Sidebar, click on Sending and click SMTP Users. Then click Add SMTP User. In here you will be asked for the username and password. I will fill up a username and just use the password they suggested. Let's leave this rate limits for now. Click this button to save the user. Now the user is added. Open it again to view the details. Copy the username. Go back to ReviewTrust. Let's put a name for this connection first. Paste the username you copied on this field. Go back to SMTP to-go. Copy the password and paste on this field in ReviewTrust. Sender email should be the same as username, although on some SMTP server, you can use different sender email. You can enter any sender name. For the host, port, and encryption, you can find them in here. Copy each data and paste it into each field in ReviewTrust. In here it says available TLS ports and also SL ports at the bottom. This means you can use SSL and TLS and just use the correct port for each. Let's save the SMTP connection. This field allows you to test your connection. Enter an email address and click Send a test email. A success message will appear below the field, but if it keeps on showing that sending message, this means there is a problem with your connection. You can go back to SMTP to-go and try using a different port and encryption. Then you can test again until you get a success message. Once you get a successful connection, you can now go to the campaigns and use that connection. Click on the campaign and go to the Settings tab. Scroll down and in the Email Settings section, you will now see the SMTP setting you created. Update the campaign, and that's it. Emails sent to the orders will now come from this email setting. Thank you for watching.